So this type of leaf is pretty simple and easy to make. So as usual, I'm going to start with drawing a rough outline. Okay, I'm going to rotate it a bit and make a mirrored instance for the bottom part. And adjust it so it looks right. So something like this looks like a pretty good starting point. Okay, so I'm going to convert those both to editable splines to get rid of the instance status, and now we can attach them together. If they were left as instances, you couldn't use the attach tool to join them. Right, make sure all the vertices set to corner and collapse the editable poly. Okay, and I'm going to connect these two middle vertices and start adding some more detail by using the cut tool. I'm cutting in some simple lines with a slight curve. Okay. And just quickly from all these outer vertices, create a few curved lines going towards the center. And once you have those ready, you can just quickly connect the resulting vertices in the middle. All right. So next I'm gonna select my lower poly, I'm gonna delete it. I'm just gonna model 1/2 of the leaf. Smooth the center outwards a bit. Let's add another segment over here. And move it inwards like this. Okay, I'm just going to flatten this area. So what I'm trying to do is achieve a shape similar to the reference image. I'm also going to add the FFD 3x3 modifier. To modify the shape further. Okay, so like that. Let's collapse back to editable poly. I'm going to select these edge loops and move them backwards. And this is going to create this curly appearance for the leaf. Okay, let's add some symmetry and see how it looks. And since we rotated the original object, the symmetry axis is off. It's at an angle, and if we want to fix that, we can just reset the X form, collapse back to editable poly. And now when you add the symmetry, it's it's straight and pointing right where we need it to. Right, let's move this vertex over here. I'm gonna try adding a shell modifier. First, actually, it looks like we need to add some more detail by connecting these and these edges. Okay, I'm gonna move these inwards and connect them like this. So let's add FFD 4x4, slightly modify the shape to make it a bit more interesting. Add shell, give it thickness. I'm going to use 2 segments so the edge is a bit sharper, and try turbo smoothing it. Well, looks quite good except for the center. I'm gonna add edit poly above the shell. Select the central edge loop. Actually, it looks like we can make some adjustments here. I want to get rid of those and these triangles near the center part. And get rid of these vertices. Okay, that's good. Now let's select the central edge loop. Make sure it goes all the way around. And extrude. So I'm going to use the height at 0. And increase only the width. Okay, let's collapse these. Okay, now it's a nice edge loop. And we can convert the selection to faces and extrude it outwards a bit by using the local normals. And we get a result like this. And we can use this leaf from both sides. I'm going to move these back a little bit more, just to make the shape a bit stronger. And there you have it. That's the curly laurel leaf. And if you wish to make some slightly different copies, you can make a copy, add FFD 4x4, 3x3, or whichever you find more convenient. And for example, let's curl it like this. Make it thinner. And you can easily curl those and create this whole thing from the single leaf. Just make some copies, modify the shape a little bit. And that's basically it.